in this video I'll be showing you how to make a delicious healthy salad of avocado, tomato, cucumber, onion, and it is so delicious, guys. Please join me till the end, okay? And also I would like for you to try this recipe and comment down below, and the next time and let me know how it went, or when you decide to make it, please leave a comment down below and let me know how it went. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, my ingredients for the salad: I have my tomato. You could use Roma tomato if you wish. Red onion, cucumber, basil. The basil is optional, and I have cilantro. You could use a fresh cilantro if you like. Chop some up, like a quarter cup or as much cilantro as you like, okay? And as I said, the basil is optional. You could use cilantro or dill, or I'm going to be using the fresh basil. And avocado here, which plays a major part in the salad. I have 4 avocados. I think I'll use either 2 or 3. And the cucumber, I have here the balsamic vinegar that I might use, the salad dressing, and to add to the salad dressing. And this is extra virgin olive oil, salt, just a little black pepper. So guys, I also washed a lemon that I forgot to mention. I'm gonna use it as a part of my salad dressing. And then the first thing I'm gonna cut up is the cucumber, because the avocado has a tendency to change color, guys. I'll cut that last, the avocado, at the end. Okay, let me cut this piece off. So I'll cut my cucumber in half. Cucumber, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, guys. And then I'll cut it lengthwise in half. I love salads, guys. Please comment down below and let me know if you also love salad. We all should love salad, right? We should all love salad because it does our body good, and our body crave for these things. So after cutting it lengthwise, then this is how I cut it. And this salad, within no time you will have salad. Right, bite-sized pieces we're cutting it. And then the second thing I'm going to work on is the tomatoes. Then let me put this in view where you can see, guys. And I had my tomatoes here washed, and let me just cut this tomato in half. You could use the Roma tomatoes, guys, as well as you could use any tomato. Cut them in bite-sized pieces, and I don't get rid of the seed, guys, okay? I consume everything. We're talking about the salad here, and whether or not, like, I always use the seed, unless you're making a special dish that asks you to remove the seed from the tomato. Tomatoes are juicy, guys. I love tomatoes. please comment down below and let me know how much you love salad, guys, and let me know if you like when I make a lot of plant-based recipes or smoothies. Comment down below because I'd like to know what it is that you like to see me make, guys. Okay, comment down below and let me know if there's a special dish you'd like to see me make. There are a few requests I got, guys. My subscribers, they want me to make cassava pone and also bami. I have a video on the bami, but that wasn't the bami made from scratch. Okay, I only showed you in that video how to make the bami after it's been shaped and formed. So that shaping and forming part from scratch where you grate the bami, I will have to make that video. I'm gonna be making that video soon because that video is long overdue. So guys, for those of you that are not familiar with the bami, I have a video on how to prepare the bami. Okay, so you could go to my playlist and search for that video. And then now I'm gonna be working with the onion. I'll just cut my onion in half. I'm gonna be using, I don't need all this onion, guys, it's a half of the onion. I'm gonna use in half. Use this piece. The choice is yours, how much onion you'd rather use, guys. Well, it depends on the amount of how much salad you're making, right? So for this amount of salad, tomato, cucumber, cucumbers, everything combined, this amount of onion is good enough. Thin slices, guys. I like thin slices. And then I'm going to be working with the avocado. I love avocado. Ooh, avocado is so delicious. So I have 4 avocados that I washed. So okay, let me use the 3 smallest ones. Guys, please comment down below and let's hope these avocados are all perfect with no blemish. Okay, well, that's not bad, because when I buy this avocado, guys, I have to wait for them to ripe. So, you know, I have to prepare it. You know how quickly avocado go bad, and I don't like when my avocado goes bad, because avocado, I love avocado. You could have it on your toast as a substitute for butter, because butter in comparison to avocado, guys, no, avocado is more like it for me. I suppose some people like the taste of butter. Yeah, so I'm cleaning off, getting rid of the blemish from the avocado. So you have to make sure your avocados are fresh when preparing this salad, guys. And I'm just gonna cut them this way, you know, bite-sized pieces. And clean off as little as possible, because you don't want to waste your avocado. Scrape it. I'll show you how to get rid of the seed on the avocado, you know, and then like that you cut in 2, as well as you could use a spoon to spoon it out. And you check the back. Okay, guys, check the back of your avocado to make sure this is okay. That's not getting bad. That's just the skin. Make sure it's your avocado is not bad, because sometimes the bad part is in the back. But I know these avocados are fresh, so I don't really have to check this one and 2, because as I said, they're small. Guys, always remember that your surface must be clean. Look at my knife, guys. Look at the turmeric. The turmeric stains everything. I'm gonna have to try and see if I can use baking soda to remove the stain on my knife. Or comment down below and let me know, guys, what do you think I can use to remove stain. See that piece there? It's no good. Look at that piece, guys. So I'm just gonna cut around it and get rid of here. I don't want anything to go to waste, so how about that? Yeah, guys, I love avocado. I love avocado. When I have a ripe avocado, well, I don't like when it's green, and then I rather buy it when it when it's almost ripe, guys, like half ripe. I should have showed you that. Your avocado, you feel it. See, this one is soft, so I'll have this by tomorrow. When it's almost ripe, when it's very tough and hard, I don't like, because it's that avocado takes forever to ripen. And then also I put it in a paper bag. My avocados to ripe, I put them in a paper bag. I'm not sure if you know of another way. And the avocado seeds, I hear it's useful for it has its purpose, the avocado seeds. Maybe not to consume, maybe like for cosmetic reasons, I'm not sure, but I heard that the seeds are useful also. I don't consume the seed, guys. I never consumed the seeds of avocado before, but you know, you do your research. So it's always good to do your research, guys. So you know, and then also to read up on the side effects. So I'm gonna roll this like here, this way. Roll it up, roll it up, roll it up. And then cut basil. Not too much basil for me, so 2 leaf is good enough. The basil, I think, has a pungent taste. Pungent taste, like, and I find it to be strong. So I got everything onto my, all cut up that needs to be cut up. And then the lemon here, I'm gonna cut the lemon in half, and you could use a tablespoon, and the choice is yours how much lemon juice you'd rather use. It's looking really delicious there. And then, guys, the avocado, it's, you know, the choice is yours how much avocado you'd rather use, and how much tomato. Squeeze my lemon juice, like a tablespoon is good, all over, because you know the avocado oxidizes, it turns, changes color. 1 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, half of a lemon juice, half of a lemon, and then extra virgin olive oil. So guys, like, you know, anywhere from like 1 to 3 tablespoons, I'd say you're working with. So just let me drizzle olive oil. If you don't like too much salt, just a dash to 3 dashes. Black pepper. Well, who likes too much salt, guys? You don't want it to be salty, right? Black pepper. A dash also, and this is cilantro. The cilantro is not the fresh herb, guys. So I won't put too much of this. Like, as I said, the choice is yours, guys. If you want to put a teaspoon or half a teaspoon. And one more thing. Oh, I'm gonna put some of this balsamic vinegar. And the balsamic vinegar, it's optional. I don't want too much of this vinegar, like I don't want it to get away, so I'm putting it onto this. Like, that's like a teaspoon, half a teaspoon, guys. Okay, not too much of the vinegar. And look at that salad, guys. Look at that tomato salad with cucumbers. Looks so delicious. Avocado, onions. It's looking truly delicious, and I'm looking forward to getting down into this salad. Please give the video a thumbs up. Okay, please give the video a thumbs up. And yeah, it's time for me to taste it. So guys, let me just toss it up some more before I serve. And yummy. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god, so delicious. I love avocado. And I'm just drooling at this point. I am drooling. I can't wait. Guys, avocado, I'm telling you, with the balsamic vinegar, it tastes good also. I'm gonna show it to you one more time. Guys, the salad. Hey, 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 hey. Hello. Guys, with the stiffness in my back, you know, when you start feeling a bit not so well, then you know what, you run to your fruits and vegetables, right? God did not, there's a vinegar. God did not leave us down here to suffer, guys. Okay, guys, God did not leave us down here to suffer, okay? On this earth, He did put the medicine into the food, okay? So it's for us to use our wisdom. So, you know, I just want to give God thanks for wisdom and knowledge. You have to apply the wisdom and knowledge, right? The medicine is in the food, guys. We just have to do our research, okay? I truly believe that. I'm a living testimony, guys. It is so good. Avocado with the cucumber. And sometimes I don't like to taste tomatoes, but with the avocado, blended with the avocado, the tomatoes, it's just perfect. And this is healthy stuff. We all know that, right? As long as you wash it, you clean the skin. Can you see why you need to clean your tomato skin, guys? Look how delicious that looks. Because you're going to be consuming those things going down in your body. Even the cucumbers, do you find the cucumbers to be boring? The avocado gives it a mellow taste. To me, the avocado is like butter. So guys, I just want to encourage you to eat your fruits and vegetables, okay? I just woke up the other day with a tightness in my back. Right at the back, at the spine area. And what did I jump to? Making a smoothie and a salad with my weights. Okay, guys, talking about weights, balance. One day I want to talk about balance. Okay. Look up the word balance to see what the word balance means. A balanced diet is good. So guys, I'm not going to give you a long speech, okay? Please smash the like button. Smash the thumbs up button. Give the video a thumbs up. And share the video with your friends. And encourage your friends also to subscribe, please. And thank you once more for being here. Okay, I really appreciate all you guys. All of the new subscribers, welcome. And also leave a comment down below. I'm looking forward to hearing from each and every one of you guys. And see you in the next video.